Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover a topic that is, it was a comment actually, that how to create an article or newsletter on LinkedIn. So see, we cannot do it through mobile LinkedIn app. If you are using your phone and you are having your LinkedIn app, then you won't be able to do it. You can do it through your phone, but there is a way to do it. So firstly, you need to go to settings. If you are having your LinkedIn app on your phone, then you need to do this extra step also. Go to settings, find your apps or app management, go inside it, then you can see it. Okay, inside app management, where is app management? Okay, you can click on default apps, not default app actually. Okay, app settings. So default app will be whatever apps will be there with your device, or say if I'm using Samsung phone, so whatever apps they have provided me, it will be like default apps. But we need to go for app settings, so that whatever extra apps we have downloaded, we can make some changes in it. So you need to go to app setting, type LinkedIn on your search bar on app setting, then you can see this here, open by default. Okay, click there, go to open supported links and click this, don't allow app to open links. Because if you are having your LinkedIn app on your phone and you are trying to use LinkedIn on your web browser, so they will be redirecting you to your LinkedIn app. That we cannot do, because we won't be able to write any article or newsletter through LinkedIn app. Okay, now once it is done, so you need to go to open supported links, then don't allow. Okay, once it is done, you need to come back, you need to go to your web browser, write LinkedIn, click there. Okay, sign in, you can sign in with your email or whatever it is. So it will be asking for you like an OTP, like you can see it for me. So I need to check my another phone. Where is it? Please just wait. Okay, so yeah, here you can see I've successfully logged in. And now what you need to do, top right, like top right side, you can see 3 dots are there. Click there, go to desktop site. You need to click on desktop site, so your mobile device will be showcasing LinkedIn just like we used to see it in desktop. Okay, once it is done, then click on home. You can see home here, click on home. Okay, so home is there. Now you can see write articles. Okay, click there. Okay, and you can see my newsletter here. Okay, you can see this my newsletter here. And if you want to create a newsletter, so for this, when you will be writing the newsletter, just wait. Okay, you can see this. So when you will be writing this article, or it will be suppose you don't have any newsletter, just like I am having this digital marketing hacks. Okay, so you need to click on manage, and from there you can see create a newsletter. Okay, click on create a newsletter. I don't know where I clicked. Okay, I clicked on, I think, help. Okay, so let me tell you again, just click on your home option. Okay, you can see something like this. Then just go to write article option, click there, and you can see this kind of thing. Now if you want to create a newsletter, and inside that newsletter you want to create or say write multiple articles. If I talk about, if I have created say this, you can see this digital marketing hacks. Okay, so this is one of my newsletters. Now in order to create it, go to manage, and you can see third last option. Like if I start from bottom, so it's like give feedback, help, and then this is create newsletter. Okay, you need to click here, you need to select write some name. You can see this here. And if I talk about, if you want to create something for graphic designing, you can write, like just name it anything. Make sure that name is unique and nobody else is having the same newsletter like with the same name. Okay, so just type your name here, add some description that what you are doing to provide inside this new newsletter, so that people will be subscribing for it. Okay, so if I am running a newsletter of digital marketing hacks, so I have written like I will be sharing knowledge related to digital marketing, writing, maybe graphic designing also, because it's nowadays it's also part of it. Okay, digital marketing, social media marketing, SEO, SEM, various social media platforms. I talk about Instagram marketing, LinkedIn profile building, a lot of options will be there. So choose a newsletter topic that will cover vast range of subjects. Okay, so just type there and also select the frequency. If I talk about will you be able to post in daily, and I would suggest you not to click on daily because it's truly hard to write an article on a daily basis. You can click on weekly, and it would be great if you are sharing 2 to 3 articles within one week. Okay, bi-weekly, that is 14, within 14 days you are sharing one, within 30 or 31 days you are sharing one. So it's these are the options, you can see it right here. Based on your availability and the time that you can convey to write an article, based on that you can select the option. Okay, and make sure to consistent if you are covering, and also do something like you are covering a topic in a good manner. So if I am going to talk about social media marketing, so firstly I will be, in my first article I will be sharing what is social media marketing. Second is what are the platforms that people used to cover for social media marketing. And then third is how, what does it role, like if I talk about the role of social media marketing, so what will I do as a social media marketing manager. So I will be covering topics like this, so that if somebody is clicking on my newsletter, so they can learn everything from me itself. It's not I am sharing some incomplete information, then they need to visit some maybe website, some other articles, they need to subscribe for somebody else newsletter. So they are not at all doing, because we are providing enough information. Okay, so yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. And also if you have any doubt in this newsletter thing, you can let me know. I can again make a clear video to you, and you can start writing articles also. So yeah, just stay tuned. Bye, and don't miss to subscribe for my channel. And yeah, stay tuned. Bye, take care.